Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y17 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the sound and vibration section. Let's tap. Now let's scroll down to find incoming call ringtone and tap on it. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available ringtones from which we can choose. At the top, we've got also the option custom ringtone, so you can choose something from your own files if you've got anything, for example, downloaded. So all we have to do is to tap on the option on the ringtone and then simply check whether you like it or not. So you can go through all of them. And if you decide that you want to set a ringtone, so for example, in my case, a rhythm, make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.